In this video, we're going to talk about monomial times binomial. If the polynomial has one term, that's monomial. If the polynomial has two terms, that's binomial. So to multiply these two polynomials, what we have to do is we distribute each term of the first polynomial to every term of the second polynomial. So this is going to be a times b, which gives us ab, plus a times c, which is equal to ac. Okay, concept check. Here is the example, a times 3a plus 2, right? So what we have to do is a multiply a by 3a, that's going to be 3a squared, plus a times 2. That's going to be 2a. Let's try example number 1. The question is to multiply the polynomials. We have a monomial and binomial, right? So what we have to do is we're going to distribute it. 4 times 2a, that's 8a. 4 times 3, that's plus 12, right? Number 2, we have binomial and monomial, right? So y times 2y, that's going to be 2y squared, and negative 4 times 2y, that's minus 8y. Okay? Number 3, 2x times 3x squared. 2 times 3, that's 6, and x times x squared, that's x cubed. 2x times negative 1 minus 1, that's going to be minus 2x. Number 4, 2a times 5a cubed. Number by number, 2 times 5, that's 10. Variable by variable. A times a cubed is, that's going to be a to the 1 plus 3, right? Use law of exponents. A to the power of 4. So a4. Minus, here we have minus, a squared times 5a cubed. That's going to be 5. A squared times a cubed, that's a to the power of 5, right? Checkpoint 1. The question is to multiply the polynomials. Let's say we have a times b plus c. Here we have one term, that's monomial. Here we have two terms, that's a binomial, right? So in order to multiply the monomial by binomial, all we have to do is we apply the distributive property. So a times b, that's ab, plus, here plus a times c, that's ac, right? Let's say we have monomial a times trinomial b plus c plus d. Just like monomial times binomial, all we have to do is we apply the distributive property. So a times b, ab, a times c plus ac, a times d plus ad, right? So let's try number 1. So we have monomial 2 and binomial 4x plus 1. So 2 times 4x, that's 8x. 2 times 1, that's plus 2, right? Number 2, 4x monomial times trinomial. So 4x times 2x squared, that's 4 times 2, 8. X times x squared, that's x cubed. 4x times minus 5x, that's going to be minus 20. X times x, x squared. 4x times 3, that's 12x. All right, number 3. Number 3 is equal to 5 times 3a, that's 15a. 5 times minus b, that's minus 5b. 4 times 2b, that's plus 8b. 4 times minus 3a, that's minus 12a. So we have like terms. A term right here, a term right here. 15a minus 12a. 15 minus 12 is 3, right? So we have a 3a. And we have a b terms. Minus 5b plus 8b. Minus 5 plus 8, that's plus 3. So plus 3b. Number 4. This time, we have a binomial times monomial, right? So let's try this. 2a times negative 4b. That's going to be negative 8. A times b is ab. And we have negative 1 over 2 times negative 4b, right? Negative times negative, positive 1 over 2 times 4, that's 2. So that's going to be plus 2b. Negative 6b times negative 4, that's plus 24b. Negative 6b times a over 3. Here, that's negative 6b times a over 3. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6, right? So that's negative 2b times a. That's negative 2ab, right? So we have minus 2ab here. So let's look at terms. We have ab term, negative 8ab. AB term, negative 2ab, right? So that's going to be negative 8 minus 2, that's negative 10ab. And we have 2b, 24b. 2 plus 24, that's 26. So 26b.